take away. In this video, I'll show you how to use the phrasal verb take away. To take something away is to remove it, to think something about it, or we use it when a person is institutionalized. Here's the simple form, take away. The past tense is took away, and the past participle is taken away. Take away, took away, taken away. When you take something away, you think or learn something. In this question, what did you take away from the lesson? You do need to use this preposition, in this case, with take away. What did you learn from the lesson? What did you take away from the lesson? When you answer the question, you don't have to use take away. You could just use learn. I learned that, and then this is the thing that you took away from the lesson, or the thing that you learned. This is a phrasal verb that can be converted to a noun. In this question, what's the takeaway from the experience? What is the value of the experience? What was the information gained? Or what was the experience gained? In this question, takeaway is a phrasal verb, and it's in the past tense. What did you take away from the experience? Or, what's the takeaway from the experience? Do you see the difference between these two questions? In this question, takeaway is a noun. It's a thing. This is the thing you learned. And here, takeaway is a phrasal verb, and this is the experience also. This is the thing that was learned. Here's a very common question asked at the end of a learning experience of some kind. What can you take away from? And then here is a noun or a pronoun. What can you take away from this? Or what can you take away from the experience? Or what can you take away from the lesson? Or from the seminar? If it's a fairly lengthy experience, you might use the word seminar. Or if you're in college, where lectures are common, what can you take away from the lecture? You could also replace can with the present tense. What do you take away from this? Or the past tense. What did you take away from this? And will is a possibility also. What will you take away from this? What is the experience gained that can be applied in new situations? To take something away is to remove it. The workers took away the garbage. This phrasal verb is separable, so the word garbage could go right here. The workers took the garbage away. The server took away our plates. When you go out to eat and after you've eaten, somebody has to take away your plate. The server took away our plates, or the server took our plates away. And when making a request, please take this away. If you use a pronoun, then you must separate this phrasal verb. You would not put away here. Don't say, please take away this. Please take it away. Please take them away. As long as you have something between the two parts of the phrasal verb. Medicine takes pain away. In this example, you could also put away right after take. Medicine takes away pain. Or medicine takes away the pain. Or the doctor, in the past tense, took the pain away. Or right here, you could also use the word procedure, perhaps a surgical procedure. The procedure took the pain away. Or the procedure took away the pain. To take a person away is to put that person into an institution of some kind, like a jail, a prison, or perhaps even a hospital. They took him away. In this instance, you actually have to separate take and away, whether it's a pronoun or a thing. They took John away. So I'm using a name of a person. You probably would not say they took away John. It sounds much better to say they took John away. They put him into an institution. During or after a trial, a judge might order someone to be taken away. The judge ordered the defendant to be taken away. Here, taken away is in the passive voice. It's in the infinitive passive. After to be, then we have the past participle for take, and then away. I hope this video helped you learn something new. What did you take away from the lesson? In the comments, you can tell me what you took away from the lesson. And if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. You can also visit my free website at EnglishForThePlanet.com.